Isang pagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Welcome back po sa ating 365 Daily Devotion with Pastor Russell Ocampo. So, ang topic po natin for today, Desperate Situation, Desperate Situation. At syempre, patuloy pa rin po tayo sa ating Bible Character Edition. So, ang concept po natin for today, Jacob wrestled with God. From Jacob into Israel. Jacob was running from his past and afraid of his future. He had tricked his brother Esau years before, and now he was about to meet him again on a dark night. Jacob was left alone, and a mysterious man wrestled with him until morning. This was not just a physical fight, God was dealing with Jacob's heart. Jacob had only trusted his own strength and clever plans, but that night God weakened him so he would learn to depend fully on him. Jacob did not win by strength, he received a blessing by holding on in faith. God changed Jacob's name to Israel, showing that he was changing Jacob's life from the inside out. At may kita natin ito sa Genesis chapter. That night Jacob got up and took his 2 wives, his 2 female servants, and his 11 sons and crossed the ford of Jabok. After he sent him across the stream, he sent over all his possessions. So Jacob was left alone, and a man wrestled with him till daybreak. When the man saw that he could not overpower him, he touched and socket of Jacob's hip so that hip was wretched as he wrestled with the man. The man said, "Let go, for this daybreak." But Jacob replied, "I will not let you go unless you bless me." At ngayon po, share ko po yung mga natutunan ko sa naging topic po natin for today. Magsisimula po tayo sa ating teaching. First teaching, God met us in desperate situation. So, tayo, nakikilala natin yung Diyos or kumikilala tayo sa Diyos sa mga sitwasyon na hindi na natin kaya or sa desperate situation natin na sigad lang yung makakatulong sa atin, sigad lang yung kailangan ng buhay natin. Sa ating second teaching naman, God descends to our level of maturity. So, si God, binigyan niya tayo na iba't ibang level ng maturity. Siyempre, yung ibang tao, mas mataas yung maturity nila, even though mga bata pa sila, but then may mga tao rin na kahit matanda na sila, yung maturity nila is sobrang baba pa. Sa ating third teaching naman, God bless us along with the new identity. So si God, kung nakilala natin siya at nagpabautismo tayo sa pamagitan ng pangalan niya, binigyan niya tayo ng bagong katauhan. Lalo na nung blines na tayo, meron na tayong panibagong buhay na kung saan iniwan na natin yung dating tayo, yung mga gawain nating masasama, and ngayon na siya na yung sasabihin natin. Dadako tayo ngayon sa ating application. First application, be desperate for God and not for people. So, palagi tayong maging excited sa ating Panginoon at hindi sa ibang tao. Lalong-lalo na yung mga matututunan natin. Siyempre, dapat we are desperate for God's learning. Sa ating second application naman, be real and approach God just as you are. So, you should approach God by who you are, not by the other what people saying to you. Like for example, kailangan mo sambahin si God because it's a requirement, but it's not a requirement for you to give or to be with God na alam mong ginagawa mo yun dahil lang sa gusto ng ibang tao, but then you should have faith to God ng sarili mo lang at siya lang yung kinikilala mong Diyos sa pamagitan ng sarili mo. So sa ating third application, be blessed by confessing who you really are. So dapat we should be blessed by who we are. Syempre, dapat kino-confess natin kung ano yung totoong tayo. Kasi yung iba na judge tayo even though hindi nila kilala yung sarili natin, they are giving some excuses na masasabing comment about you, but then hindi importante yung comment nila, lalo na kung alam mo kung sino ka. So, sa ating discussion, why should we desperate for God and not for people? Para sa akin kasi, if we be desperate to God, syempre, yung pagka desperada natin or desperado mo bilang isang tao, sa ating Panginoon, sobrang laki ng matututunan nating bagay. Hindi lang sa knowledge na makukuha natin, but then a strong relationship sa ating Panginoon. Sa Dive Deeper ni Jacob Russell Jesus, para sa akin, yung sinabi niyang ibigay sa kanya yung blessings ni God. Doon palang isinuko niya ng sarili niya sa Diyos. So, ayun lang po for today's discussion. Thank you for watching.